Welcome. Today we'll solve the integral of cotangent x with respect to x. Let's start by writing out our problem. First, let's recall that cotangent x can be written as cosine x divided by sine x. So we can rewrite our integral as the integral of cosine x over sine x dx. To solve this, we'll use u substitution. Let u equal sine x, then do equals cosine x dx. Now we can rewrite our integral in terms of u. The cosine x dx becomes do, and sine x becomes u in the denominator. This is a familiar form. The integral of 1 over u do equals the natural logarithm of the absolute value of u plus c. Finally, we substitute back u equals sine x to get our answer. The integral of cotangent x dx equals log of the absolute value of sine x plus c. Let's verify this is correct by looking at the derivative. The derivative of log of absolute sine x is 1 over sine x times the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x. This simplifies to cosine x over sine x, which is cotangent x. Let's visualize this with a graph. The blue curve shows cotangent x, and the red curve shows the derivative of our answer, which match perfectly. And that's how we solve and verify the integral of cotangent x. Thank you for watching.